Fire!
Oh!
Oh,
We crashed.
where's Tanjiro?
Where is this place?
Where's Inosuke? No! This is your fault!
Where do we go?
Go this way.
Can I kill you real quick?
Take it with us.
I'm not red wash.
Guys, get in a car.
Go
I
here.
think we should get in. You know what?
I
Never
think we
mind.
might be a little
Oh,
sketchy.
Start
yo!
glorping your glop twin.
Going, going,
Yo.
yo, going, going, man, yo, going,
What?
going, man, yo, going, don't make me, I'm going to guap, I'm going to guap.
Kill the aliens! They already been moving fast! Kill him!
I'm going to
Hey,
guap.
people top
I'm
soup
going to
sword.
guap. I'm going to guap.
People top soup slurp.
Got one.
I killed
Grab
one!
glabble.
What the? I killed an alien! I got him!
Globs it. Globs it. Globs it. Stop glopping in your zit.
Start guaping in your
I'm
zip.
sorry.
Now we attack you guys. You guys have to like fight back the aliens.
Glorp sleep!
The aliens are now invading the Mars.
Everyone! Everyone!
Absolute.
Help!
Show me your willy. Show me your
Alright, now
willy.
everyone, go back to spawn. Everyone, go back to spawn.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Show me your willy! Show me your willy! Where's the Kashi Gaia? Everyone go in the forest, it's turning dark!
Contact
Maybe that big monster in the forest be like, show me your willy! Show me your willy!
Show me
All aliens get one of
alien.
these. Get
You
a
illegal
teleporter and put it on your
alien,
back.
get
All
out.
aliens.
Yo, what? What do you mean illegal alien, bro? Nah.
I still have the camera. Show me. Wait, what did he say? What did he say? What did he say? Alien, what did he say? Alien, what did he say?
Glorp, don't know.
I still have the camera.
Glorp!
Show me your willy!
Show me your willy.
Show me. No, I'm the one that invented show me your willy. So shut up. Ow! Guys, I'm gonna change it into. What is that thing? No.
Gleep,
Guys, the camera mine's up
alien
here.
first log. Gleep, glop, gleep.
Are you making a
aliens
plane,
first
bro?
log.
Are you making a plane?
We have been glop invaded.
Mr. Alien.
Now,
Mr.
Glorp must
Mr.
right.
Alien, he needs you, bro. He needs surgery.
Now gleep, glop. Gleep, gleep. Should we help the humans?
Shucks.
The humans help each other, but humans not identifying.
I know.
Humans will break into our home, take everything we love. Now we invade them back.
Wait, can I see if I can ask you?
everything from our home. What you talking about?
Now we invading the alien, the human, or whatever it's called.
Booby touch. Everyone,
Now-
go to the lake.
We must like,
All humans must go to the lake for protection.
yeah, all humans are really for protection. Glorp sleep. We must
That's it,
glorp
that's it.
survive.
I'm hacking your games, bro. I'm hacking
Glorp,
all them,
glorp.
bro.
We
No,
must
No,
glorp.
no.
Glorp, glorp. Glorp fixed the mothership.
Here's your part, sir.
Thank you, Glorp.
Here's your no.
No,
Glorp, 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 serious. Glorp, serious. Glorp, serious. Glorp,
Glorp
serious.
sleep.
Glorp, serious. Glorp, serious.
Glorp gleep.
Got you, please.
Gleep glop.
Guys, I'm not an alien, I'm a spectator. Guys, I'm a spectator. No! What the?
Guys, I'm not an alien. I'm infected. Guys, I'm infected in the chat.
No! What the?
Guys, I'm
Glorp,
infected.
sleep.
Guys, I'm not an alien. I'm infected.
Okay. You're
Sleep,
at the
glorp.
spot by time.
You take our home. You invade our home. Now we invade your home. Glorp, glorp.
Glorp.
Destroy, 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 destroy.
Behind me!
Destroy,
Behind me,
destroy,
please!
destroy,
Yeah,
destroy.
bye-bye!
Die! Glorp, sleep.
But who are you?
I hit him down. He's on.
It's my body.
Glorp, sleep.
I took your shit.
Go!
Yo, stay selfie.
Get
Yo, I'm
him.
gonna take a picture.
You guys
no
captured the
fighting.
green form by the alien, by the way.
Glorp, I'm gonna take a picture.
It's time to shoot you. I
Glorp, sleep. We steal
over
everything
here.
you have. You dare invade us. You will not take your things back. So I shall kill
And
you.
the worst of all, you thought you could take my floaty away. That's the worst crime ever.
Don't kill me, bro.
Chill, Mark.
You're dead. Dead. Sleep. Drop.
On you, man.
But a single hit.
Bro, I'm a good cameraman.
That thing's supposed to stun you and kill you.
Wait.
For a little bit. Right,
The
I
aliens
stun
are
and
stunned.
kill you.
Fight.
Stun.
Fight. Fight.
I stunned you.
Fight.
Bro,
Everybody fight.
stop it. I stun you. By the way, if I hold this up. By the way, you can't actually shoot. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah. Stun. Levitation. Recording, you can like just point it and do some
Penis man.
You guys just do whatever. Do whatever that matches a thing.
Oh, there it is.
I got
the light for the scene.
Start.
How is there more? I thought we defeated the boss. Was that a boss or not? Like, oh, bro, there's more aliens. I thought we defeated the boss. What happened?
The Alien King has returned.
No. Oh, what? Oh no. We have to defeat him. Maybe we have to defeat him to destroy all the aliens. Maybe it wasn't. Ow! You just sliced me. Cut.
Cut.